Hi friend, now we are demonstrating how to assemble Karma Power wheelchair. The model is called eFlexx F20. We have two models. One model is called eFlexx F14, another is eFlexx F20. The basic difference of this wheelchair, back wheel. You can see the back wheel is a bigger rather than eFlexx F14. So rest of the parts and remain same. Now, how to assemble power wheelchair? It's very easy. Anyone can assemble a power wheelchair at her home. No need to any technical qualification to assemble this wheelchair. First, you have to spread little bit. Then you have to lock here. It is a back fold. Actually, basically you can put for any car when you are traveling any other state. So that's why the back fold and the footrest detachable part, right? So you have to first, okay. Next step is you have to spread the wheelchair. Great. Okay. Now, second part, you have to fix footrest. Two detachable footrest. This is for right side. Okay. You just put in this hole. You have to great and lock it. Same in left hand side also. You have to put ready. Next step is back. This is the balance wheel. This is when you are traveling for slow, it will help. How to fix it? Just put in this hole. Done. Same is this side. See, it is for balance purpose only. Perfect. Now you have to fix this cushion. We have provided two cushion. It is for below. Okay. Another for back side. Now it looks beauty. This is the joystick. Okay, you can control these joysticks for upward, going forward, backward, right hand side, left hand side, anywhere. And there is a horn. Okay, and this is for speed control. How to assemble? You just put there and plug in cable. And lock it. Okay, and I can show the charging station. We are providing cable, power adapter, and this is the lithium battery. Okay, so this is the battery actually. Okay, and you can see it's just like a magazine, and there